it's Sarah. I got a cat suit on. I got nowhere to go. I mean, maybe like a drop off or a PTA meeting. I think this is appropriate. But first step, I'm gonna put some highlighter on. I look tired. I went to bed late and my kids woke me up early. Little cream blush. This helps me look a little more alive in the face when the coffee doesn't do the trick. I think I need some eyeshadow. Okay, I like the shadow that this gives me. Does it accentuate the Prada bags under me? Got these right here, Prada bags. Okay.
Nice.
This should be really interesting. I tend to do good eyeliner on one eye, not always the other. And someone taught me a trick once that you sort of follow the lower lid line, pick it out. See that? And then connect it. My makeup artist friends are gonna be like, you're crazy.
I am fucking crazy, but I am free.
Do I scream PTA? I think it's time for the lash. Thank God for this tool. I don't know how to put a lash. I didn't really know about lashes beforehand. So I've got this wiggle, 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 wiggle. One thing, just so you know, this eyelash right here, see, goes to this eye. That eyelash goes to that eye, see? Trust me, I've put on the wrong eyelash before. I'm gonna put on the glue. Get tacky. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, Axel, where have you been all my life? I feel like I would have done better in the dating department with this lash. I'm gonna clamp this together for good measure. Oh yeah. I mean, look at the before and after. I think Axel's my new boyfriend. Okay, here's the deal. Now that Axel's on, I feel like I could give myself a little bit of extra liner. And this one's from Stila. See right there? See I'm connecting that? Oh God, that's a pro tip right there. Oh, that's not. See how I fucked that up? Oh, Jesus. I am horrible at makeup. See, but I don't need to be good at makeup because I have a lash. Okay, I'm gonna try the other one. Glue on. I just can't stop looking at that lash. Okay, here we go. Let's try this on. Oh no. Wow, what a fucking difference. Okay. Whoa! I'm gonna just fill in, remember? I'm connecting the dots here. Yeah, June. Come over here, come look at my lashes. Come look at me. I'm ready for the first day of school. Oh, wow.
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 I feel really good.
She's really good.
Come here, baby. Come look. Look at my eyelashes. Do you like them? Look at my eyelashes. Do you like them? You're right. Well, I think that was a seal of approval. All right, Axel. You've got my number. I like it.